Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook prime rib roast. Preparing a magnificent prime rib roast begins with selecting the right cut. Choose a well-marbled, bone-in roast, ideally weighing between 4 and 7 pounds, for the best flavor and juiciness. Allow it to sit at room temperature for approximately 2 hours before cooking. This ensures more even heat distribution throughout the meat. Finally, pat it completely dry and season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary and thyme. Once seasoned, the next crucial step is searing. Heat a large, heavy-bottomed pan over high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Sear all sides of your prime rib for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, creating a beautiful, flavorful crust. Transfer the seared roast to a rack in a shallow roasting pan. Begin roasting at a high temperature, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes. Then reduce the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for the remainder of the cooking time. Achieving your desired doneness is all about temperature control. For a rare prime rib, remove it from the oven when the internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer medium rare, aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit. For a medium roast, target 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, the roast will continue to cook and rise by an additional 5 to 10 degrees during the resting period, so factor this into your cooking time. The final, and arguably most critical, step is resting the roast. Once removed from the oven, tent it loosely with foil and let it rest for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial period allows the meat's juices to redistribute throughout, resulting in an incredibly tender and moist prime rib. When ready, carve the roast against the grain into thick, uniform slices. Serve your perfectly cooked prime rib with its natural pan drippings or a delicious horseradish sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.